Well, hey guys and welcome. Let's make some epic text. Let's set our background to black by hitting Command Backspace with the background color set as black. Let's grab our type tool and select a cool text, and I'm using Trojan for this one. I'm going to type in a very original title, Epic Movie. Grab the Move tool and let's center it up. Okay, now right click the text and let's hit blending options. Here we're going to add some effects, so let's hit outer glow. And let's change the color to a light gold yellowy color. Hit OK once you're happy, and now let's play around with the opacity, the spread and the size until you're happy with the result. And hit OK once you're happy. Okay, let's add our next effect. So let's right click the layer, blending options again, and this time bevel and emboss. Now you can play around with the depth, the size and the softness until you get that look where it's kind of popping off the page a bit. A little bit 3D. I'm also adjusting the angle of the light here just to give it that cool effect. Now hit OK once you're happy. Let's duplicate our layer by hitting Command J. Now let's right click our layer and rasterize the type. Now let's apply some effects by going up to Filter, down to Blur and Motion Blur. Now play around with the distance of this until you're happy with the result. That looks pretty good. Hit OK once you're done. Now let's drag that text layer below the main text layer. Go back up to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur and adjust the radius of that until you're happy. And hit OK once you're done. Now let's adjust the opacity of that layer, bring it down a little bit, and I'm happy with that result. Well guys, that's how easy it is to make an epic looking text inside Photoshop. If you enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.